Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. I'm Brooke, and we are kicking off another video. So this is actually the next day. So this is day 2 of the video, just popping in because I realized I never did a proper intro and I wanted to do that. So with that being said, let's get back to the clip so you guys kind of know what's going on. We are at Darren's parents' house and going boating and just spending the night, having a fun weekend here. So that being said, welcome back. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's get into the video. Good morning. So I just got ready. I showered last night and yeah, got dressed. They're making breakfast in the kitchen. I think I saw tater tots, bacon. I think pancakes are happening. I heard something about that, so we'll see. But anyway, it is the morning, so we're gonna have breakfast, hang out here for a bit, and then go back home because it is Sunday and I have work tomorrow. And then you guys, yesterday, I got a confirmation for a hair appointment. So the place I used to go is, I mean, it's like almost 40 minutes from where I used to live, but, or I guess, okay, so the first house we bought, it used to be next to that house, and then when we moved, I just never switched salons. And now that we've moved again, I'm like, okay, it's time. Like, I need a salon that's closer. I don't wanna have to go all the way over there. And so I found one, well, actually, my friend Kelsey, this is a salon she goes to, and then I tried to go to her lady, but her lady is not accepting any new clients, so I had to go to someone else at that salon, so I'm gonna be trying it out. Are you guys excited to go on a walk? Let's go. Are you excited? Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so this guy put solar in his house. This house sold for $1.2 million.
Hello. Hi, sweetheart.
Oh, hi. What do you guys think? Sadie, what do you think? Oh, she's trying to figure out how to get in. Sadie's trying to figure out, how do I get in? Oh my gosh, there are so many horses in this area. Hi. Oh, and a beautiful white one back there. Hi. Are you friendly? Yeah. Hi, beautiful. Oh, they want some little snacks.
Yes, how high does it go?
It's still going. Okay. So, I mean, I would say that's like 2.5 feet.
Oh, yes.
Oh, no. Okay, this is
These onions.
entirely.
What do they call these? Jelly onions?
Caramelized onion and garlic jam.
Jam.
Jam. Hey, we were talking about jam earlier today.
Here we are.
Hey, we
Next
are
layer two.
building our pasta layers. So we have the sauce, the pasta. Now
We're going for the jelly jam.
we have nice and clean tongs. Okay, so
Okay, so we got
caramelized onion and garlic. Okay, so I guess if we're doing 2 layers, then I can use half of this.
That's what I'm thinking.
So apparently it's going to turn out to be a cross of like French onion soup. And mac and cheese.
Ooh, is this how we do our onions for French onion soup? I'm just thinking
Yeah.
about this. I think we should watch the guy and see.
Dude, all of his recipes look bomb diggity. Okay,
They
that's
look
probably
good.
about half. Okay, so
Okay.
now we go back in for, should we spread this out? I feel like, oh, we'll rest it there. Okay, so now we go back in with the sauce. Okay.
We're only supposed to do 2 layers?
Okay, so we're gonna have to really get in here with the sauce.
Really get in here with the
Okay.
sauce. Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to get real heavy.
Seems like a kind of aggressive amount of sauce for the amount of pasta. Like,
It
I mean,
kind of does, huh?
I could be wrong.
Are we going in with a top layer of sauce after the next row of pasta?
I think so, and then we have the crispy
This is where
top.
I get confused about things. This is where it all goes bad for me and my cooking abilities. Because I question, and then I don't, and then we have missed a step. The crust is building. The crust is building. Brooke is making it crusty.
I mean, this is gonna be...
The amount of cheese seemed kind of excessive.
But then came the like 6 cups of breadcrumbs.
Breadcrumbs and Parmigiano.
Oh my gosh. Okay, this is gonna be, I mean, honestly, it looks like we're baking an upside down pie.
It really does.
Like this is, I've had pie crust thinner than this. Okay guys, so we just finished baking this. This is an AI generated Michelin Star quality baked mac and cheese recipe that I found off Instagram. And a wonderful mom ordered all the supplies and was like, right here, right now, we are making it. So here we are. We just finished cleaning. Oh yeah, immediate turnaround. And look, we cleaned everything and we're just waiting for it to cool a bit and we're gonna give it a go. But there's an aggressive quantity of cheese in here and literally so aggressive. Like how much cheese?
Like when she was spooning it in, it was 2.5 feet of string.
So
Couldn't even get it to come off the spoon.
I was so stretchy, so attached, so much. But the most exciting part, that, oh my gosh, I know it smells so good. We're saying that it smells like grilled cheese because of all the breadcrumbs and melted cheese. It's so fragrant. But there is caramelized onion in here. You can kind of see some of that brown. So caramelized onion. So we basically did it like a lasagna. So there is a layer of the cheese sauce, a layer of cooked noodles, the caramelized onion spread over, and then more cheese sauce, more noodles, more caramelized onion, more cheese sauce, and then the breadcrumbs. And then we baked it for 25 minutes at 325 or 75?
375.
375. So we're gonna be trying this shortly. We'll let you know how it is, but I'm very optimistic. Okay, here we go. Let's see.
Not sure what's gonna happen here. Oh wow.
Uh-oh.
This is aggressive already. Well, it's not pretty. Oh wow.
Okay, the caramelized
Maybe we need
onion.
a spoon, huh?
Maybe a spoon? Okay.
Maybe a big fat spoon.
Okay, yeah, it's kind of collapsing. All right, so it's not turning out beautiful, but it does smell bomb. Okay, we finished serving up our plates, and you can definitely see the caramelized onion in there. This actually looks really good. I mean, I feel like on camera, it looks super sloppy, but I think it's just the caramelized onion that's looking so good. Okay, we are going to do a taste test clip. Okay.
Here it comes.
Okay, are you gonna get, okay, I'm gonna get some
I'm getting
onion.
onion. Look at that onion.
Do.
Okay,
Two
and we're
minutes.
gonna do
An onion. Oh my god, it's a runner. Okay,
like
ready?
Set.
Yes. Oh
Say
wow.
it.
Oh wow. I think we needed to do like double the French
everything.
onion. Was that?
Why don't we make more French onion?
This
Next
is a game
time,
changer.
double the French onion.
Mm-hmm. Double French onion. Get in there. But this is bomb.
Mm.
This was worth it. I'm glad we did this.
Me too. Oh wow.
Wow. Oh, this one looks really nice. I am in heaven with all of these cherries. I just walked into that. Look how many freaking cherries are on here. I had no idea. Like, look at this one. This is like a grapevine of cherries. I am like blown away. I feel like usually fruit, like look at these. Okay. Like lemons, you know, one grows and hangs down. But like, look at this. It's growing all along the entire branch. And my amazement with this really just makes me feel like I apparently am not very familiar with cherry trees, because this is like blowing my mind right now. Yesterday when I was filming the morning clip, I was starting to tell you guys about my hair appointment, and then Darren came in and needed to shower, so I ended the clip prematurely, and I don't think I ever finished telling you guys what was going on. So I've been trying to figure out why, I don't know, I just haven't been feeling my hair. And I was like, maybe it's just a weird length, like, I don't know why I just can't get it to look a way that I like. And then I remembered that, well, I started an investigation. I was like, okay, how long has it actually been since I haven't liked my hair? Like, let me try to pinpoint like the point in time that I stopped liking it and figure out like what changed, because I haven't changed my shampoo, conditioner, so I'm trying to figure things out, right? I'm trying to start a full-on investigation. And then while looking through pictures, I realized that I haven't had my hair done since December. the week before Christmas. Remember, I cut my hair to like my collarbone, and I loved it. And I realized that was the last time I really loved my hair. And I realized that was because that's the last time I had my hair done. Usually at my appointment, I schedule my next appointment. And when my next appointment came, I forget why, I had something else going on and I had to cancel the appointment. And I was like, I'll call back and reschedule. I forgot. So I never rescheduled. And so because I never went to that appointment, I never made the next appointment. So now technically I should be like, since that appointment in December, I should be on like my third one since then. So I was like, oh, okay, maybe the fact that I haven't had any toner and it's like super bronzy. Can you see like where my hair's bleached? It's getting like bronzy. And then it's just kind of like, because it hasn't been cut in 6 months, you know, like it's just not very clean at the bottom. It needs to be tidied up. So my place in Roseville that I used to go to, it's feeling too far now. So going to the place that my friend goes to, but I'm going to a different lady than she is because her lady wasn't accepting any new patients right now or clients. So yeah, I'm going with someone else. I checked like the photos on their Instagram, and so I picked someone who it looked like had good experience doing like balayage on brunettes, because, you know, just because someone's good with blonde does not mean they're good with brunette. It's a whole different animal. So I looked on there and I liked what she was doing with brunettes and was like, okay, clearly you know what you're doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and trust you and see what you can do here. So I am gonna move up the balayage. We're gonna do toner. I'm kind of debating. The toner that I usually do is called Toffee. That's like the color. And it's like that rich, like darker brown. Like it looks fairly natural. It kind of looks like my hair's like sun-kissed basically, which I really like. And so I'm debating doing that, or if I should do something a little lighter because it's summer, you know? So I haven't decided that yet. And then I'm deciding if I just want to trim my hair to grow it out, or if I want to cut it back to where I had it during winter. Because I really, really like that haircut. But my preference is long hair during summer, short hair during winter. But my hair just doesn't grow quite fast enough. So I need to step it up with the collagen to grow my hair faster so that I can have long hair for summer, or I need to just accept that by the time my hair reaches the desired length, it'll probably be fall. And then I'm going to want to cut it. So I'm between. Haven't decided yet, but I have only a couple more days to figure it out. And yeah, so I just keep looking between my short hair pictures, my long hair pictures. But I haven't had long hair since like a year. I don't know, maybe we'll grow it out. We'll see. We'll see. Good morning from me and my coffee per usual. So it's Tuesday morning right now, just finished getting ready and kicking off my morning with some work emails, making sure that I have all of those out of the way before I hit the road, because today I am going to Reno, Nevada. So a long drive ahead of me. I have a few pre-scheduled meetings out there, so I have to get out there fairly early. Not too bad though. Obviously it's 8 o'clock and I'm still here, so pretty happy about that. I just finished downloading all of my podcasts because there's this huge stretch. It's almost like 45 minutes, maybe an hour, between California and Nevada border where there's like no service whatsoever. And so like you don't get really radio stations, and for some reason my Spotify recently has been tweaking out, and my downloaded songs were literally, I have several hundred, it says I have like 12. And when I go to try to like re-download songs or playlists, it says they're already downloaded, and then you go to your download list and it's like 12 songs. So not sure what's going on with that. And when I try to play from the downloaded playlist, it doesn't work because it says that it's offline. Or there's like no service or something like that. Anyway, so downloading podcasts, and that's been working out. So just finished downloading a bunch of like crime junkie podcasts, and then a few other ones that I also listen to, like Out of the Pods. I've been listening to I Love You So Much podcast recently, Gals on the Go, and There are a couple other ones that I can't think of right now. Oh, of course, Match Made in Manhattan. I've been really loving that one. So that's what's been going on, but I'm getting ready to take off. So I wanted to pop in and end this video because it is Tuesday and I did want to bring you guys along. However, it's just a work day and I need to get this video edited this afternoon because I'm trying to stay on my Thursday upload schedule. So that's the plan. So gonna go ahead, end the video here. Thank you guys again so much for watching and tuning in each week. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you'd like, you can hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks again, guys, for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.